What is up, my dudes, and that one girl looking for that special gift to put under the tree for a special someone this year? I got you, one girl. This is Bikes, Beards, and Brews. Let's kick that intro. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Before we kick this one off, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell notification. New videos are coming weekly. You ring that bell, you know when they drop. Let's get the other stuff out of the way. Want to save 10% on our Cardo communicator or save some money on some Beyond Riders gear? Then you should definitely check my referral links down below. Want to support me and all my do-gooderness like these cool guys here? Bam! You should become part of the Brew Crew and join the coffee page down below. Want to know why I'm asking you for money? Well, next to those 10,000 Amazon affiliate links that also go to a good cause is a link explaining what I do with your money. Get it, got it, cool, let's move on. All right, guys, so today we are kicking off the 2024 CHS Toy Drive with the first giveaway of the season, and it is going to be an extra large Dixxon Flannel Thundercat edition. Now, for those of you not aware, this is a very rare flannel. This came out and then it sold out in under 30 minutes. And I happen to have an extra large from my personal collection that I want to offer up to raise money so I can buy toys for kids. So this is a good opportunity for you. A lot of people were not able to get a hold of this flannel when it came out. And it's a good opportunity for me because it's something that is quite desirable that a lot of people are looking for. So hopefully we'll raise some good money on this. Now, just real quickly, no, you are not going to be getting the flannel off my back. I am offering a brand new in-bag extra large Thundercat flannel with the sticker. I know that's a big deal for a lot of people who collect Dixxons and whatnot. So yes, this is brand new, unopened, in bag. This is the one we are auctioning off. Now, just to catch you up on this flannel a little bit, no, this flannel is not dedicated to a bunch of alien space cats that landed on an alien planet that are trying to fight the evil forces of Mumra for a better tomorrow. This is actually dedicated to an absolutely awesome West Coast bass player that has just transcended all kinds of musical genres. I encourage you to look this dude up. He is absolutely incredible, and he plays a ton of different styles. If you were to go to eBay and try and buy this flannel right now, this thing is listing for hundreds of dollars. And when I'm showing you this, this is actually the sold prices. This is not just somebody put this on eBay and said, hey, give me $500. This is the stuff that it's actually selling for. Now, for some of you, you may be looking at this and going, well, it's a black flannel. What's so special about that? I'm going to pop some pictures here just in case you can't see it on me. But this is a black on black patterned flannel. This actually has a really cool design on it. It is not just a black flannel. This looks awesome. On top of that, it has red stitching and red accents throughout. It has a microfiber cloth down below for, you know, cleaning glasses and all that fun stuff. It has the mitered corners on the cuffs. These are well-made flannels. It has little buttons to hold down the collar. I don't know if you can see that. It's got the extra space in the back, so, you know, when you're moving your sleeves and stuff, you know, your sleeves don't come riding up here. This is a well-constructed flannel. It is a D-Tech polymer blend flannel, so, you know, be aware of that. You're not getting 100% cotton here, so that's just something I want to put out there so you are fully aware of what you're going after. So how can you win this flannel? Well, great question. Here's the deal. Down below is my GoFundMe link for this year's 2024 CHS Toy Drive. In there is a lot of details too about the toy drive, where like the toys are going to, how long this has been going on for, all that fun stuff. I'll give you a little spoiler alert. This is the 18th year we've been doing this toy drive, and it's been quite successful. Last year we raised $7,000. I'm looking to beat that this year, and hopefully this flannel will help get us over that finish line. To enter, you're going to click on that GoFundMe link. You're going to donate $10. You're going to pick up any GoFundMe fees. So you have to donate $10 for an entry. So it's like if GoFundMe is like, hey, do you want to pick up like the 2% that we're going to charge this guy for your donation? You say yes. So whatever that is, it has to be a full $10 donation. Once you do that, in the words of support that they let you do, like put up there after you get your receipt, you're going to put Thundercat in those comments. So then I know you are entered. And once you are entered, on December 14th, we are going to be doing the drawing for this flannel. Not this one, the brand new one in bag. Now, here's the deal as well. If you donate $30 or above, I will double your entries. So if you do $30, I'll give you 6 entries. You do $50, I'll give you 10 entries, and so on and so forth. So how bad do you want this flannel? Like, definitely throw some money in there. You may not win. That may happen. Just know that whatever money that you have put in there is going to a good cause. I do not keep any of this money. I actually put in more of my own money. So this is strictly a fundraiser to donate, to purchase toys, to donate to a good cause. That is what we are doing. I don't have anyone to pay. I don't have any employees. I don't pay myself. I don't buy it. I pay for the U-Haul to bring the toys over. So this, like I said, all proceeds raised are going to buying toys for kids in need. And once again, I do want to stress, this is a very limited flannel. This is very hard to get your hands on. Hell, if anything, I don't even care. Throw in like 10, 20 bucks, see if you win it, then throw it on eBay and you sell it for $300. Don't care. I am here to raise money for toys. So that is what we are doing. Whatever you do after that, that's on you. Now, for my international viewers, here's the deal. If you win this, I'll still ship it to you, but you're picking up the cost of shipping fees. I do know that this completely sold out in the UK and all those other fun countries as well. So just be aware of that. Nonetheless, that's what I've got for you today. What do you got? Do you have this shirt? Have you been looking for this shirt? Sound off down below. And again, this is for a great cause. Drop 10 bucks, drop 20, drop 50. Help out some kids in need, possibly win a really cool shirt. Also hang out because we're going to have new giveaways week after week that are going to be accumulating, and then we are going to be doing our drawings on December 14th. There's a lot of great stuff coming up. It's for a great cause. And I also encourage you to share these videos with friends and family, people who may be looking for a shirt like this, or, you know, just are looking for a good cause to donate to. This has been a grassroots charity from the beginning, and I've grown it from $300 a year to $7,000 a year, and I'd love to see it continue to grow. I can't do that without you. I need you to do that. So that's what I've got. Make sure you like, comment, donate, share this video with friends, share it with family, share it with that one dude you know who's like, I like black on black. I like Johnny Cash. He loves this stuff, trust me. And I'll see you all on the flip side.